Boom. Never mind, it's dead anyway. Hello guys from Frog Tech Tips again. This is actually my card which I received on this package. The card is still in really pretty nice condition. It's got a still warranty seal over there. I will be try this card on my test PC. Now, and I hope so the card it works and slot works well. I'm not sure what is wrong with this card, but hopefully it will be still alright. That means first plug this PCI Express connector. Sorry about the noise about background, it's my little one playing with his toy. And now I will test this card to see if it works. Switch on now. Okay. Card fan is working and there is no video signal output at all. I'm not sure what is wrong with this card, but I will try as my standard reflow the GPU on the board with the technique I will show you shortly, and hopefully I get this card working again. Switch off and go to do some job. We know the fault of this card. By the way, it's R9 270 2GB version. We got a 4 screw here which undamage the seal. I'll try as usual use my plier to take it off. We know this card doesn't have a signal. Just be careful if you use the plier. Don't knock any of the other components. Just think very gentle. Oh, not like this. I'm just doing these pinches. Alright, yeah. Okay. It will make a damage, never mind. It's not really important. It's just I like to have them over there if it's possible. Hopefully I get a success with this card, but you see it's been absolutely dead. Not absolutely dead. It's been no signal at all on this one, but also it's been probably never repaired as well because the warranty seal is still there. But as you can see how idle it is, you never can trust nobody. Okay, then this card we got 2 more screws on the top which is holding the fans. Here you go, all done. And because I will be hit this card and everything this is plastic, I will took it off just for reason I don't want to burn. Here you go. Okay, first of all I need to clean this card. Okay. I use the isopropyl alcohol for cleaning all my electronic. It is safety and secure. It really quickly disappears, doesn't make any moisture, as you probably already know. And here you go. A nice clean card. There is no any single damage as far I can see, which is good. Okay, well, what I do, I use the flux which I put in Here you go, this is what I do. Switch on my heat gun and check the time. I always do 10 minutes on 290 or 300 Celsius. It always depends, but it's really not point. And start with run on the top. Yeah, more you can see. You can see the oil flux start bubbling. I hope so you can see that. Which means there is air under the chip, which is usually not good, and the air should be not there. As you can see, the bubbling and air going out much less than the start. Okay, now actually past the 5 minutes of heating, and what I actually do after that, every single part heat 10 seconds, and middle part I heat at 30 seconds, which I only counting in my head, and I will start and very near, like just a couple of millimeters from the chip. Just you need a steady hand. Okay, I start. 1, 2. Just 30, and I just move on the corner and count 10, and move slightly down in the middle. Again 10, and down, and continue till it's all done. Again, run around all the chip. I don't see any more bubbling from the flux, so that is good. And now I will try every single memory stick hit for 10 seconds. Or I count into 10, I'm not sure if it's 10 seconds. And now again slowly hit down the main chip. And actually that's it. Later on I will just clean the flux which is here, maybe on the side as well, and test the card, and we'll see the result. Hopefully this time it will be work again. If not, I can try again to reflow longest time, and if not, the card is actually really dead. But I hopefully will be working. Okay, now just let it down, cool down this card about 10-15 minutes, because it's so hot you can make a barbecue nearly. Remember, it's been 290 Celsius on the top of the card with the head heat gun, and yeah, card is really bad. Don't try to move the card now, because you can move every single component. Also be sure when you're hitting the card you're not moving the card at all. Okay guys, once this card cool down, I'll show you how to put the new thermal paste. And okay guys, this card is now cooled down, and I'll be reassemble this card. First put this piece of plastic over here. Remember, it's not hard to do it. If you got any question why or how, just write a comment below, or try find me on the Facebook as well under the same channel name, which is called Frog Tech Tips. Guys, I'm quite new. I'm doing this style long time, but I just make a decision showing you guys what I'm doing, because I feel sometimes so funny, especially if you check one of my couple of days, maybe weeks, older video. I'm not sure when I will be upload this one. Just have a look back. Actually the video will be pop on this corner, I think, on the card. Just click on that, which I got a sparkling from the cards, really big one, I think it's been big one. It's been really scary. You can see the videos, in the videos, how quickly I just take the cable out quickly as possible. And yeah, check that video. You will be surprised for the damage, and you also will be surprised the card is working. I know I tell you that now, but it's sometimes funny. You can wait for watching, and yeah, just watch that. It's a nice video, I think. Apply new thermal paste. Don't forget always plug back the fan. It's so important. And always use the cross pattern. We put the screw back because this one's got a warranty sticker on the top. I use my finger like this. Just point one. Do-do-do-dum, 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 dum, dum, do-do-do-dum, do-do-do-dum. Finger screwdriver. Yeah, guys, this is finger screwdriver. Okay. Joke. Everyone is waiting for this card. Will it work or not? Like I said, always it's a 50-50. And always worth to try. If you're asking how long can keep this repair, you never know. I repair cards for my father. It's already 16-15 months ago. Card still working without no problem, without no issue at all. I mean, sometimes car maybe die next day, but no, actually I see car die after 3 months. Again, it's the same issue, but usually it's fine for a long time. Okay, we're done. All back, and now stack this card back to the PC. This one is just one 6-pin connector. Come on, cable, go out! We got all this plugged in. We just need a signal cable. Ready for the test? Because I am. 3, 2, 1. Okay, switch on. And have we got a signal? No. No success this time. But never mind. There's no time. I will try one more test. I will test HDMI output. Okay, HDMI is in. And switch on. Which also no success. And I'm surprised it's not success. But it happened, and it happened again. Okay, I do a second check, proper check of this board, and what I actually find it here. Did you see that? It's missing one of the components, and probably this is the biggest problem why the card doesn't have a signal. I will try solder back this one from my spare card, which I know is never will be repaired. Put the components back and test cards again if it signals going on or not. I hope so. This is the problem, and we'll have another good card. If not, never mind. I always not care if not repair. But yeah, I think this is the problem. Okay guys, now the component is back. As you can see, nice clean job, but when I check this under the microscope I find that there is actually missing some of this one and this one as well, and plus a couple of more. I'm not exactly remember where. I think one of somewhere here and here, plus somewhere here. Yeah, I think it's missing around 10 components. I put all of them back and now I will go and test this card to see if it's working. Okay, now it's all plugged into my test rig and we can try this if it's working or not. It'll be nice to see. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and look, maybe there will be some spark, who knows. No? No spark, and there is some signal. Boom! Card is actually working. Okay, I need to plug in my keyboard and mouse. I'm going to test this card. Okay guys, I will not show you any boring stuff when I downloading and try installing the driver. As you can see, card is still working, and actually this card only need about 10 new components, and finally now the card is working again, which looks like with no problem. I will be wait till driver is installed and show you some tests as usual, full mark test. Maybe I'll be try the Witcher 3 as well, how it's running, but as you know, I've got only 2 gigs RAM on these test rigs, which is not enough to running Witcher 3 at all. I will be need an upgrade soon, because some of them request you wanna see every card I tested, included some games, which also will be nice, another proof the card is working correctly for me. But so far this card looks good, and wait for the install and I will be show you how it's going. I'll keep you updating, but so far so good. This card looks good for now. Please thumbs up for this. The card is running about 13 minutes with no problem at all in full mark. I actually will be trust this card because I know it doesn't have a problem with the processor or something else. The temperature is about 85 Celsius, which I think is alright with this card, and especially in my room is so warm as well. Yeah, I think I will be cancel that and show you the CPU Z. It's all correct here, nice and easy. Another quick test I will be done is I try switch on the Witcher 3, which will be take ages, but why not? Once it's loading I will be back to see actually if it's running any game on this card. Yep guys, Witcher 3 is finally loading. It took a huge time, as you know, 2 gigs RAM is 2 gigs RAM. Actually for this card I think I set up medium settings. It's running about 44 frames per second in 2 gigs RAM. I can see, because I leave this about 5 minutes to loading up, is actually looks smooth and nice. Only problem is when I start moving it will be freezing straight away. Look at it, I push the button and the game stop, and now I can see it's actually really really bad. You can't play like this at all. Freeze for a second and moving again. But proof is proof, and card is working. I should need to get more RAM for these test rigs to make it all the time nice and easy tests, especially the Witcher 3 because it's the most demanding game on the market. Yeah. Okay, R9 270 running on my test rig G640 and 2 gigs DDR3 RAM, running really bad. You can play that, absolutely can't play that. As you can see, it's suffering so much, but the card is repaired and running, I think it's very well actually. What else I can say? If you like this, click like, subscribe for more videos like this. I always will be doing more repair of graphic cards, as I'm doing that for fun and I love it. I hope so you love it as well. Please subscribe, I need you to support me. Thanks guys, and see you soon on my next video. Bye!